Hi viewers, I'm Raji Ramakrishnan. I'm going to make sesame seed rice. For that, quarter cup of white sesame seed I have roasted and kept it here. While roasting, you have to dry roast this. Now for the masala, I'm going to add a teaspoon of oil, adding around 2 teaspoons of urad dal and red chilli. This is less spice chili it is, so I am adding around 5 to 6. According to your requirement, you can add the chilies, the spice requirement. You can reduce or increase it. For the urad dal is less, so I am going to add 1 more teaspoon of urad dal. Dry roast this till the urad dal become brown in color. And the urad dal, after cooling it, the urad dal and the chili, first you grind that, then add the sesame seed, then powder it coarsely. Now this is done. I am switching off the gas. Now I have transferred this into a bowl. Now while grinding, you remove the stem of the red chili. Why I didn't remove the red stem while roasting? Because the seeds will get spread in the oil and it will burn first, and it will give a different taste. So to avoid that, I haven't removed the stem. After roasting it, always remove the stem of the red chili. I have removed the stem of the red chili. Now I will put it in the mixer pot for grinding this. This is ground coarsely. Now I will add the sesame seed in it. The masala for the sesame seed rice is ready here. Now let us make the sesame seed rice. For that you have to cook rice and keep it ready. The rice is ready here. The kadai is also hot. I'll put little till oil in it. Curry leaves this in. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Little bit of Asafoetida, and the sesame seed powder which we made. Salt. Now I'll put the rice in it. Mix well. I have taken around 3/4 cup of rice cooked and mixed it in this, and half of the sesame seed powder which we made I have added to this. Now the sesame seed rice is ready here to serve. This you can serve with any kind of raita if you want. Otherwise you can just eat it plainly like this, or with any papad or vadams, etc. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.